Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Just very here to have a quick show and tell. But before I do that, welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you to those people who are still staying with me, and I appreciate all of you for being there, and I just so grateful for you all. Thank you anyway. So quick show and tell. Yesterday I went to a bookbinding workshop at the local council library, and it cost $5, which is absolutely ridiculous. And this is not new for you, but certainly new for me. So she gave us the teacher, her name is Mandy, and I'll put all her links below because she has a YouTube channel. She teaches, this is in Adelaide, and I'm going to show you something else as well. So she does do lots of workshops around art and things like that, so I'll put all her links below. And I just thought that the lesson was fabulous. She explained things really well, and we went through the steps, and she came around to help you and things like that, which is just what I needed, because I've seen loads of people do this on YouTube, but not for myself. So anyway, so she gave us the book cover, and she gave us the cut papers already, but we had to sew, and she showed us how to create the spine at the back, and gave us how to sew it in, and used, you know, like a template and all that sort of stuff, and gave us some papers to cover over the paper, the book paper that was there, the frontispiece, I think that's what you call it. So I've got this brand new beautiful book, so I'm going to put some lace on there, and I'll think about maybe turning it into maybe a Christmas journal because of the colours. I just think it's, anyway, I'm so pleased I actually did that. And anyway, at the workshop she was selling these with a awl as well, that her husband makes, but unfortunately she does not ship them because of the weight. It's just too expensive. So, but she does sell them at her workshop, and that's why I'm putting all her links below. If you ever get a chance to go to one of her workshops, please do, because I thought she was really fabulous. I think she does other things besides bookbinding. She does other things too. So anyway, so I finally got, and I tell you what, I've never had one of these, and I've looked at them, and I've never been able to see them in Australia to buy, and it made life a lot easier to try and do the holes with one of these. So I'm so pleased that with the all came $25, which I thought was a pretty good price. He just makes them out of offcuts, she said, and she does sell another kit with beeswax and cotton and things like that for $30, but again she can only buy them from her workshop. So that's my show and tell for the day. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll probably see me doing more book stuff. Thank you. Bye bye.